This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. Consistency, right? I don't have to be 220, 240 like I was before. I just want to be consistent while I'm on my path. Yo, what's good, everyone? It is phase 1, week 4, day 6, meaning that we're coming to an end here. Overall, I've been doing this entire program for 27 days, and I feel good. I feel real good. So today is about content. We've been making a lot of content today, tons of YouTube videos to catch up on to get to day 27, and then tomorrow too as well. We will, oh, look at this guy. You guys look at how to work a camera. You guys look at that guy, he's cruising. What's good, y'all? So I got my food right here. Big ass bowl of salad. Doing this for breakfast instead of a shake. I just feel like I need more food in me. I feel hungrier. That means the gains are coming. I mean, it means they're here. Just gotta feed them. And this lovely dish here, I got the arugula at the bottom. I got the millet on top as the light colored grain you see there next to the raisins. And then avocado. Got some walnuts, green beans, and some peas and some lentils. A little vinegar, a little red wine vinegar, avocado oil, and it tastes good. And just cracked a little sea salt over the top. And that's it. I'm eating this, making content. Last leg day for phase 1. We're gonna get it. Hi, what's up? Little update so far. It's 1:19 in the afternoon. Having my shake about 3 hours after my food this morning. I'm finishing up a vlog here. I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna head to the gym, hit some legs, come back, do some more vlogs. Mostly just working over the weekend right now, preparing for the next week, getting ready to go back to work. A lot of stuff to do. Study for my exam. A lot of stuff to do. We're getting new clients, launching the client platform. So if you guys are interested in working one-on-one, know that I have that available and that I can work with you guys either remotely, online, or in person. Now, if you're in the Chicagoland area, the northwest suburbs to be exact, I can come work with you physically. There is a private gym that we'll go to. So definitely contact me if you're interested in more personal help or guidance. I got you. So we'll get this done and then we're gonna make some gains. Last leg day of phase 1. Let's get it. All right, so what's good, everyone? It is 5:51 p.m. It's a little later in the day, but it's the weekend, so my schedule is a little bit different. I'm not really in bed till about midnight. I've been doing vlogs all day and getting caught up on those so that they're up to date by the end of this weekend. And then give you guys content, watch the videos. I'm looking to improve them every time I do them. Obviously, make sure that I can give as much value as possible, right? I got my salad with me right now. I'm going to eat this and then go to the gym. And now that I have a shake and 2 meals in me, because I did it backwards, I did meal, shake, instead of shake, meal. And now I got more food in me, I should be able to lift heavier at the gym. Because yesterday I was lifting heavy, but I noticed that I wasn't as strong as I thought I should have been. And I can pretty much pinpoint that to the amount of food that I have in my body. So just to simply do a little test, trial and error, I'm gonna gauge how strong I am based on how strong I think I should be at legs today, with now the extra meal that I thought I was missing yesterday. And I should be stronger. So in today's meal, it's a glorious meal today, add a little bit more calories. In this meal, we have the arugula at the bottom. We got some avocado oil in there. The millet you see up there to the right of that is the walnuts. And to the right of that, we got some broccoli, a little bit more protein, and a little bit more fiber inside of the salad today. And then I got some raisins, a nice amount, a little bit added sweetness when there's no dressing for me to pour it over. I got green beans, get a little nice amount of protein from green beans too as well. Some lentils carry a good amount of protein too. And I got salt, pepper, cayenne, and I squeezed a lemon over there. So a nice amount of nutrients inside of this salad. I'm gonna eat it up. And then in about an hour, maybe 2 hours, we're gonna head to the gym. It'll definitely be a later gym day. and it'll be nighttime when we come out, but it will be a good time. You know what I'm saying? So you guys stay tuned. Next time you see me, I'll be in the gym. Alright, so I just came back from the gym and I just changed my battery too. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but I definitely let the battery die at the gym. Just didn't switch it out. So that was most of my workout that you've seen. I did some calf raises after, but that was it for the most part. Afterwards, I got a shake, 1 scoop, bananas and some nut milk. And I'm gonna make a salad because I'm hungry. And that'll be my 3rd salad for the day. And it makes sense because I'm getting bigger that I'm gonna have to eat more. So I might be adding in an extra meal. Things are working out this way. So I'm gonna sip this shake while I make my salad. I'll show you. And then we're done for the night. Last leg day of phase 1. And then tomorrow is the last day of phase 1 in totality. And it's Sunday. So it's bike ride day. So I appreciate you guys a lot for watching. Ask questions. I can't stress that enough. Ask questions, comments, concerns. Put them in the chat. Put them in the comments because it's going to help me make more content, tailor the content for you guys so that I can be answering specific questions and it'll help build the community and just build positive vibes. So, like I said, I appreciate you. It's time to eat. Alright, turns out I was capping. I drank that protein shake and I'm good, so won't be eating any food tonight. And I'm just gonna finish some videos, go to bed, wake up, do it all over again, and get ready for that bike ride. So you guys be great. I'll talk to you, see you, video with you in the morning. Alright?